Welcome back to my channel. For subscribers, thumbs up to you. If this is your first time of seeing this amazing face, you are highly welcome. In this channel, I teach how to read and write. I make it fun and engaging. If you follow my channel, your child will be able to read and write in no distant time. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Give me thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload video, you'll be among the first people to see it. You are welcome, sponsor. Double consonant, twin, same sound, or double consonant, same sound. What am I trying to say? Two letters in a word that give a single sound. Double consonants. Two letters in a word that give a single sound. Today I'll be talking about double L, double S, and double T. The first on my board under double L is bell. Bell. It has two L, and two L give a single sound. Fell. Sell. Call. Fall. Fill. Ball. Let's take it again. This time, please repeat after me. Bell. Can I hear you say that? Awesome. Fell. Can you repeat after me? Great. Sell. Can I hear you say that? Awesome. Call. Fall. Can you repeat after me? Good. Feel. Can I hear you say that? Feel. And ball. Please repeat after me. Ball. That's great. Letter, double letter S. Words with double letter S. The first here is dress, press, class, glass, vase, cross. Let's take it again. Dress. Repeat after me. Dress. Also. Press. Repeat after me. Press. Brace. Class. Repeat after me. Good. Glass. Repeat after me. Glass. Awesome. Less. Repeat after me. Grace. Cross. Can I hear you say that? Awesome. Double letter T. Butterfly. Can I hear you say that? Butterfly. Awesome. Little. Good. Better. Letter. Bitter. Kettle. Let's take it again. You repeat after me. Butterfly. Can I hear you say that? Butterfly. Awesome. Little. Can you repeat that? Great. Better. Can I hear you say that? Good. Letter. Repeat after me. Letter. Awesome. Kettle. Repeat after me. Kettle. Also, these are two letters that give a single sound. They are called double consonants. Double consonant letters that give a single sound. Remember, no word is too big, no word is too small. Just learn it. Great. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Comment and share. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye for now.